Haridoss, Senior Project Engineering Manager at Wood India Engineering and Projects Private Limited, Chennai. Sir, we are truly privileged to have you here to share your expertise with us. Now I request you to kindly take over these sessions.
Hello. Hi, good morning all. First of all, thank you very much for inviting me for this session. And I'm really happy to be here today. Able to hear that? I'm really happy to be here today with you guys. So, after a long time, maybe 25 years, I was in a college. So this is the first time I'm coming to the college. Really, I'm happy. Yesterday night I started around 12:30 to see you all guys. So I stayed back Mayiladurai. Morning again I traveled. So thank you, Dr. Ashwin, for giving me this opportunity. So Dr. Ashok called me to give kind of industrial understanding to the students. That is what I am here today. How we complete our education and how we connect with the industry. So that is the aim of the presentation. I will bring some small presentation. So emerging technologies in biopharma and career opportunity for bioengineers and biotechnologists. Quick introduction, already someone talked about me. Quick introduction about me. I am Saravanan Haridoss. I have 24 years experience in various bio industries. So I started my career in production, then I moved to engineering, then I moved to project management. So currently I'm leading the life sciences vertical from India for the global offices from Chennai. During my tenure, overall this 24 years, I have come across different type of industries. Like I started my career in oleochemicals. I think some of you already know about oleochemicals. Then I moved to biopharma industries, where I felt there are a lot of opportunities for the bio, even though I am a chemical engineer, but I felt that bio industry will booming in an enormous way. So that way I started my traveling. So today I am here. Probably I can take you through the slides, wherever. There are some clips in this PPT. That projects did by me. So I thought that will give a visual presentation you guys. So that is the intention I brought it. Okay, as you aware, what is biotechnology? See, when we were studying, biotechnology is an optional course for us. So bio is an elective subject actually in the second year. As a chemical engineer, we have to choose that. Now it is not like that. There is a dedicated and separated biotechnology and bioengineering in the under engineering you have, right? So what do you mean by biotechnology? Biotechnology blends with biology and engineering. I think all of you know, right? But might be you are studying it on the paper. So what it is exactly? So how it blends biology, how it blends with engineering, where our area of focus. So that is what I'm trying to give some glimpse on it. Okay, probably. Then we'll see so how much we can grasp. Okay. So this is a grassroots program, right? It's an open world of discovery, innovation, and rewarding career opportunity. So this biotechnology, you see, there is a discovery. Okay, discovery. So not like other industries, biotechnology industries. Like other conventional industries, they have established very long back. If anyone know what is the first the bio product has been invented? Anyone? It is not very long back. It is 1980s only. Still I don't remember, but it is 1980s only. So insulin is the first product. So they invented from the fermentation-based process, right? Okay. So we move on to other slide. Yeah. So if you take biotechnology in the industry, you have specifically I put some 4 sectors, where the large volume of opportunities. There are many apart from that, apart from what I am mentioning here, there are other industries also, but these are the major industries where you can get an opportunity. Okay. So the first one, healthcare. As you all aware, healthcare. Healthcare is a wide again. So we call it as an industry, we call it as it's a life sciences industry. So where we covered right from the chemical synthesis to the biological molecule, so the manufacturing. So we cover the entire area of this life sciences. And obviously agriculture, you all are aware, there are a lot of innovations in the agriculture in terms of biotechnology. Probably, I'm not sure about your curriculum. Biotechnology in industry, there is a two-way. One is biochemistry and microbiology people will be there. Along with that, the biotechnology. So probably that going forward, I'll explain how it works actually in the industries. So, yeah. So the other one is food processing industry. As you are aware, this is a one emerging industries, right? Environmental sciences. So these 4 major industries are emerging in the biotechnology areas. Okay, you have a lot of opportunities. So stay back. So key industries that employ biotechnology professionals. If you look at here, again healthcare, so agriculture, food technology, environment, research and development. This is one area. It's a huge innovations going on across the globe. Okay. And bioinformatics, it is a kind of data analysis and data storage. These are other industries. It's a kind of subsidiary industry to this all main industries. Okay, so we focus on the biopharma industries. What kind of biopharma you have it currently in the market? Whatever I know, whatever I come across, I put here. So, biopharmaceutical maps. Anyone knows about maps? Very big industry, maps. So, this is called mono antibody. Someone is saying? Monoclonal antibody substance. So this is a one invention, maybe 1990s it started actually. This is a one major invention in the bio industries actually. So there is a technology, this is called a technology. So under that they produce a lot of biopharma medicines and vaccines. Already you guys all know about corona vaccines and all. So vaccines and gene therapy and cell culture and biosimilars. So what do you mean by biosimilar? Have you come across in your curriculum anywhere biosimilars? Anyone? Sorry? Okay. Any you? Okay. See, yeah. Come on. Yes, actually, yeah, almost there. Actually, in the pharma industry, we have conventional, synthetic, whatever you have it in the market today, majorly, it's a synthetic based chemicals. Okay, so they do some chemicals, they mix, they put reactions, and they get the tablet. This is the conventional way of getting the medicines. We call it as some English medicines and all, right? So this bio is something different. Okay, it was not that way developed so far because it started in 1980s only, the development of bio areas, and you have very limited things. In conventional, whatever you do, the paracetamol, Dolo 650, these are all kind of generic drugs, as she said correctly, generic drugs. What they do, when you invent some new drug, it goes for some 180 days exclusive rights for the manufacturer who invented. Then someone else can also do that same thing. So what they do, there is a organization called USFDA, United States Food Drug and Administration. You have to go and submit your the process. So what kind of tablet you are doing. If someone already invented a paracetamol tablet under the name of Gola 650, you cannot produce the same thing. So what they do, so they will find another synthesis route. Then they will again go and put under USFDA approval, and they get the approval. But the combination inside, whatever the paracetamol, it is remains same, but they trade it in other name. You cannot sell it on the brand name. So that is where, in the biosimilar, similarly, there are invention bio drugs. So where you cannot do the same thing like generic drugs in the pharma. Here also they call it as biosimilar. Where one can invented some molecule. The same molecule cannot be done in the same synthesis route. You have to find a different route. Then you have to get approval from USFDA. That industry called biosimilar. Okay, in conventional synthetic industry we call it as generic. Here it is biosimilar. Okay, so next ADC. Anyone knows about ADC? This is also another emerging technology in bio industry. Okay, I'll tell you. This is antibody drug conjugate. So I think you can Google it later. You can see it. What is this actually? Because I have a lot of projects on this. I have done it in my career. So it's something special, right? But I don't want to go into deeper how it works and all. Okay, so you can Google it and check what is this industry about. And fermentation-based drugs and products. So this is one major industry where you get the fermentation-based. I think there are many type of fermentation, right? Anyone? Any fermentation process, you know? Okay, so there are a lot of fermentation, right? Based on the yeast, bacteria, fungi based. So different bases will be there. Okay, so I have done a lot of the fermentation plants also for Biocon in India and abroad. Pfizer, I have done some projects. And you have GM, then agriculture. So these are major things I covered. There are many things under biopharmaceutical again. I covered only the major things. And coming to agriculture, I'm not having much knowledge, but still, since I'm working in the biosector, I have some knowledge on the agriculture, but I didn't do any projects so far. GM crop sciences, it's gene modified crops, right? Biopesticides, biofertilizers. So these are all under agriculture, right? These, I feel, very limited industries in India. Maybe in abroad some industries are there, but I never come across any projects on this agriculture. And food technology, again, it's one of the major one. So you have food safety, again fermentation, then nutraceuticals. So I segregated some way. I will tell you why I put this nutraceuticals under food technology. So you come across anytime the word nutraceuticals? What is nutraceuticals? Anyone? What is the nutraceuticals?